Hi! In this new video, we're going to introduce one of the latest features in Calculated Fields form, a new way to access and filter the information collected by your forms. Until now, the Entries section, available from the Calculated Fields form menu, provided a basic filtering system that allowed you to search submissions by criteria such as the form name or a date range. However, it wasn't possible to search based on the actual information users had entered into the forms. Today, I'd like to show you a much more powerful approach, filtering form entries using natural language and the AI model of your choice. To get started, simply click the Use AI Filter button available on the entry screen. From there, you can select the AI model you'd like to use. In this demonstration, I'll be using one of the DeepSeek models, but you're free to choose any model from the AI provider you're already subscribed to, or any model you've configured through your WordPress AI connectors. I'd like to take a moment to highlight an important advantage of this approach. Instead of forcing you to subscribe to a dedicated AI service, this feature allows you to use the AI subscription you already have. At a time when almost every new feature seems to require yet another subscription, we believe giving you this flexibility can help reduce costs while letting you choose the provider that best fits your needs. Once you've selected your model, the process couldn't be simpler. Just describe, in plain language, the entries you'd like to find or analyze, and the AI will generate the appropriate filter for you. As you can see, it's an incredibly easy feature to use, yet it can make a significant difference when working with large amounts of form data. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any future updates and new features in Calculated Fields form. See you in the next video.